Why can light travel through space but sound cannot? Light is a transverse wave whose oscillations are perpendicular to its direction of movement. It is on the electromagnetic spectrum, so it does not need particles to propagate through. It can propagate through a vacuum by itself. Sound, on the other hand, is a longitudinal wave whose oscillations are parallel to its direction of movement. This means that it requires a medium to propagate through, and since there is no adequate medium in space, sound does not travel well in space. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more space-related